can you sue for surgical error without proving causation? Imagine going into surgery expecting to get better, only to end up worse off. When mistakes happen during surgery, many wonder if they can still get compensation without proving exactly how the mistake caused their injury. Well, in personal injury law related to surgical errors, the answer is generally no. You usually need to show a direct link between the surgeon's negligence and your injury. This link is called causation. To successfully bring a claim for surgical malpractice, four main things must be proven. First, there has to be a duty of care. That means the doctor had a responsibility to provide proper care because of the doctor-patient relationship. Second, the surgeon must have breached that duty by acting below the accepted standard of care. For example, if a surgeon leaves a surgical instrument inside the body or performs the wrong procedure, that's a breach. Third, and most importantly, you need to prove causation. This means showing that but for the surgeon's mistake, you would not have been injured. If your injury was caused by something unrelated to the surgeon's actions, then causation is not established. For example, if a patient develops an infection after surgery but the infection was due to a pre-existing condition or hospital environment, it might be hard to prove the surgeon's negligence caused the infection. Finally, you must have damages. That means real harm like physical injuries, ongoing pain, additional medical bills, or emotional suffering. If you cannot show damages, then even if there was negligence, you cannot recover compensation. Gathering evidence is key. Medical records, expert medical opinions, witness statements, and sometimes photographs help prove both negligence and causation. Experts are especially important because they can explain how the surgeon's actions deviated from the standard of care and directly caused your injury. In the end, even if a surgical error is clear, you cannot succeed in a lawsuit without proving causation. The law requires a direct connection between the surgeon's mistake and your injury. If you cannot show that the negligence caused your harm, a lawsuit will likely not be successful. So, always focus on gathering strong evidence that links the surgeon's actions to your injury to have a valid claim.